Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A happy new year. I am literally just taking down the Christmas tree, and it has been a long process to get it done because my son literally did not want this to go. He still wanted to keep the Christmas magic, but unfortunately, Mummy's got New Year's resolutions she needs to accomplish, and one of them is to get rid of the Christmas tree and get the house back in order. So, I can finally think and, be ready. So, I ended up having to get him to, be involved to put everything away. It's actually quite difficult to put a Christmas tree back away when your kids doesn't want to put it away, and also cleaning and tidying up the house whilst they're still awake. So I ended up having to wait till nap time, and my other son was playing on his tablet. So that gave me a bit of time to get everything organized and back in order. But yeah, how was your Christmas? I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas break, had a lovely New Year's, and are back into reality, I guess. I'm just literally raring to go. We also had a few friends visiting, and a few spillages happened on the sofa, so I just had to quickly clean that. Look forward to a new video in the upcoming weeks where I just show you how well this spot cleaner works. Like, I absolutely love it. It's one of the best things that I think we've bought last year for our house, and it's great for carpets, it's great for the sofa. I'm literally removing a stain that was on there, so look forward to a video just me reviewing it and how well it works on cleaning the sofas. So yeah, there's a lot of you guys. I've got some new subscribers. I want to say hi, welcome to the channel. I think a lot of you came when I did my 19 days of getting ready for Christmas and stuff, and yeah, hello. So on this channel, you see lots of cleaning motivation, how to clean certain things, decluttering, and everything to do with cleaning. So if that's your vibe, this is the channel for you. I hope you guys can stick around. So this video is just basically all the little bits and bobs that I cleaned during the Christmas and New Year break. I really took a break because I felt like I needed to spend time with my family. So I really did not film a lot of things, especially like my after Christmas clean that I would normally do, but I didn't do that this time. I just basically did what I could and spent more time with the family and my babies, spent more time outside. And yeah, so this is just like a few things that I recorded that I did record when I had time. So remember that trick that I showed you guys to clean, like your baked goods and stuff. Just get a little dishwashing tablet, boil your kettle, pour the tablet into your dish, and then you just put the hot water, and it's just going to dissolve, and it's going to dissolve everything else in there as well. So it's actually the best thing, best hack I've seen online, and it works really well. And you just leave it to marinate and dissolve after a couple of minutes. However long you leave it, I don't have a proper time scale, but you just leave it as long as you can, and everything should literally start dissolving, and you just get your scrubber and you just work it, and it just comes off. So this was really handy, especially during the Christmas period. My husband was doing all the cooking, so I was in charge of tidying up, and yeah, this was a fantastic thing to do because a lot of scrubbing, and I really didn't want to like spend too much time cleaning up. So this was really great for most of our oven dishes. Did you guys use any of the hacks that I showed you? Let me know in the comment section below if you did. And as you can see, this is what it looks like after running it out some water. You can use washing up liquid afterwards, but I actually didn't really need to because everything just came off. So that was really helpful, and I'm going to continue using this hack all the way throughout. But yeah, this was really great. And yeah, I will look forward to some more cleaning hacks I'm gonna be uploading again in the next couple of days. And one thing that took a lot was the microwave. Like, this was, yeah, yeah, a lot of explosions happened in there. So this is me just quickly cleaning it up, and I used lemon juice and washing up liquid. Like, wow, that combination was fantastic. It really did a great job dissolving all the buildup in there. So, and I'm pouring some hot water in there, and then I'm gonna turn, washing up liquid, and I'm gonna put on the microwave, turn it on for like maybe, I think I put it on for about 2 minutes. Yeah, it was 2 minutes, and it's just gonna like, bubble up in there. Steam is gonna go up, and it's gonna be easy for you to wipe. So this is also a great hack that I saw online, and I'm going to be showing you some more hacks in the upcoming weeks. I'm going to be uploading twice a week, so look forward to more videos. And that is it for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick video. You guys have a lovely day, and I will see you next week, twice a week. Bye.